Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to add the Google account in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings, scroll down and go to the Google option. Then click the Sign in your Google account. Click on it. Now sign in by your Google email. Click next. Now write your password. That's it. After you write your password, yes, I'm in. I agree. You can turn on the backup by Google. I will don't turn on. And now and accept. That's it. Now you connect to your Google account in your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.